Hi family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a coffee and Ayurvedic hair wash routine. All the ingredients that I'm using in this video, it help with shedding and also thinning hair. This wash day is from start to end, so keep on watching. Coffee is loaded with many components that have the ability to stimulate your cells in a particular way. It is loaded with high level of antioxidants to get healthy cells, and it is responsible for stimulating the production of healthy cells in the scalp. It also helps in protecting the hair from damage like ultraviolet sun rays. Coffee prevents hair fall. Research shows that caffeine in coffee help to stimulate the hair follicles in a healthy way. It makes the hair follicles stronger. You will need a carrier oil to infuse your coffee in. You can also use coconut oil, you can use sweet almond oil. But in this video, I will be using extra virgin olive oil and I'm using 1 cup of that. Our oil been in the double boiler for over 2 hours now, about 2.5 hours. I'm now just going to turn it off, let it cool down, and then we'll strain it. I got my cheesecloth. I'm just going to strain it. We got our very potent 100% coffee oil. Now that we got our very powerful coffee oil, I'm going to use this oil to do an extreme hot oil treatment. Coffee stimulates the hair roots by improving its structure and growth. Caffeine can restore hair growth and prevent hair loss. Caffeine can also reduce excessive shedding of our hair. The main benefits of coffee is that it can help to promote hair growth straight from the roots in the initial phase of hair growth. It does this through targeting a hormone called DHT. DHT is a hormone that is responsible for all of our hair loss problem. Caffeine is known to help increase blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes healthy hair follicles. You need to make sure that you also massaging this properly into your scalp so that it can reach down to our hair follicles. I've been using coffee on my hair for many years now. If you want to see how I make my original coffee growth oil along with some other amazing ingredients, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. My hair feels extremely soft and very, very moisturized just from applying this coffee oil to my hair. Now, let's just take this time to appreciate thickness and length. I can already see that my hair is growing so much. This 6 months hair growth challenge that I'm on, I can see that my hair is really benefiting from it. And another thing I'm doing, guys, I'm making sure I'm taking my vitamins every day. I don't skip a day of it. So if you are along with me on this 6 months challenge, make sure that you're taking care of your hair twice a week. You're doing your regular weekly wash day routine, doing all the various steps. And in between your wash day, you also moisturizing and massaging your scalp. I cannot stress more about how much massage that I do to my scalp. And also make sure you take your vitamins so it can also work from within. So I left my hot oil treatment on for 2 hours. I also sat under my steamer for 10 minutes just so I can add extra heat to my hair and to open up my hair follicles. And after that, I left it on for a couple of hours. I even wanted to leave it on longer because the longer you leave it on, the more you benefit from it. But I also didn't want to make this wash day 2 days or 3 days. After that, I rinse it out. I'm now just going in with my shampoo. Okay, family, so this is how my hair is looking after I rinse my deep condition out. My hair feels very soft and it is bouncy. I'm now just going in to moisturize my hair. That is my coffee butter. I will leave that video down in the description box for you. And then I also mix my S Secrets growth oil, my caffeine growth oil, and my carrot growth oil together. And then I will also be using leave-in treatment. After moisturizing my hair, I just throw it into my regular bun. Once you are taking care of your hair on a weekly basis using the right natural clean ingredients, your hair will definitely scrub. So if you give this wash day a try, let me know how your 6 months challenge is going along. Let me know if you are seeing a difference in your hair, either through healthy hair or your hair is getting longer. I would love that at the end of this 6 months challenge, we all can achieve our hair growth desire. Okay, family, so if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Follow me